Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. This time around, we are taking the tricks in multiplication, and we are still on squaring two-digit numbers. In the previous video, we learned how to square two-digit numbers with a special type. That is where 5 is beginning the number or 5 is ending the number. So that one is a special tricks with no remainder. Now, we are continuing with that. This time around, there is no special case in this one. So we are going to find the square of 23. 23 times 23 is 23 square. Now, I'm going to teach you two methods in getting the answers. I pray that I'll be able to work within time and appeal to your senses to grab the concept with me. Now, the first method, if I have 23, since it's more or less like a mental word, I'm going to square the last number, which will give me what? 9. The square of 3 is 9. Now I'm going to find the product of the two numbers, meaning 2 times 3, 6. I find the double of 6, that is what? 12. The double of 6 is what? 12. So I'll write the 2 carry what? 1. Now I'm going to find the square of the last number, which is what? 2. 2 square 4. 4 plus the remaining 1, that gives me what? 5. So the square of 23 is just 529. That's the first aspect of it. Square the last, find the product of the double of the product, then find the square of the last number, which is the first number from here. Now the second method is also mental. So here I am going to go up and down of the number. We are going up and down so that we can get a mental picture of a number we can easily multiply. I know it is always easy to multiply numbers ending with 0. So in this case, I'm going to go up 7 times and I'll go down 7 times. Someone will say, okay, maybe if you are going up 7, I would like to go up 3. So that this will also increase to what? 26. Let's see. So if I go up by 3, I'll be having 26. Then it means I am coming down by 3, which is what? 20. So now I'll find the product of this 26 and 20. You know, 26 is just 20 plus 6. So 20 times 20, that is what? 400. Then 6 times 20, that's 120. So that gives me what? 520. Then I'm going to square the difference. The difference that I move up or down. That is what? 9. So 520 plus 9, that is what? 529. Go up a certain number, go down a certain number. Alright, you will say maybe the 3 is already in my mind, so let's take something like 7. I am going up 7, that gives me 7 plus 23, 30. I am coming down 7 from here. That will be 16, I guess, 3. So 16. 16 is also 10 plus 6. So 30 times 10, that is going to be 300. Then 30 times 6, that will be 180, I guess. 180 because 3 times 6 is 8. 18 times the 10, that's 180. So in all, I have 480. What is the difference? 7. The square of 7 is 49. So I am adding 49 to this. That will be 9, 12, 1. So 529. So any way you go up or down, you get your answer. It is for your own convenience sake. Whether you want to go up 3, you want to go up 4, we are only going up to get a number that is easy for us to multiply. Okay, let's take 67. Let me go for the first method. We say that the square of the last number is 49. So I write the 9, carry the 4. What is the product of 6 and 7? I think that is 42. Double of that is what? 84. Plus our remainder, 88. So I write the last number as what? 8. Carrying the remaining 8. The square of 6, 36. 36 plus 8, I think that is 44. So I get my answer as 4,489. Alright, let's take the second method. which says that we are going up. And you can see obviously the best way to go up is by 3. Because if I go up by 3, I get 70. If I go down by 3, I get 64, I guess. So now I'm going to find the product of this. 60 plus 4. So 70 times 60. That will give me 42. 10 times 10, 100. 17 times 4, 280. So 280 added to this, 0, 8, 4, 4. What number are we increasing or decreasing with? That is 3. So if I add 3 to 4,480 plus 3 squared, that will be what? 4,489. Right? So you can decide to go up maybe by 4 or by 7. Yes, we can go up by 7 and go down by 7. You still get the same answer. Alright, let's take this. 97. We are going with the first method. Square the last number, that is 49. So I have 9. Don't forget we are carrying 4. Then I find the product of this. 7, 9, I guess 63. Double of this will be 12, 9. So we have 126. I'm doubling this. So 6, 12. Alright. Now don't forget we are carrying 4. There's a 4 from here, 49. So if you add 4 to this, it becomes 130. 130, you'll be asking how are we going to carry it? We are putting the last digit, which is 0, carrying the 13 down. Then the square of 9 is what? 81. 81 plus 13 will give us what? 94. So 94, 9,409 is the answer. Alright. Let's go for the second method. This is very simple. Because if I go up by 3, I get 100. So up by 3 to get 100, down by 3 to get 94. Pretty easy. Because 100 times 90 will give me, or even let me take it off, 100 times 94 will just give me 94 with 2 zeros. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to square the difference, which is what? 9. 9 plus this will just change this to become what? 9. 9,409. Simple? Alright. Now there is another trick when the number is closer to 100. So this is taken as 97 times what? 97. The difference between this and 100 is just 3. Between these what? Just 3. Find the product of the 2. What do you get? 9. But in this case, we are looking for 2 digits. So I'll have 0, 9. Then I'll subtract the minus 3 from one of them, since it's the same. This from this from this. So if I subtract this from this, I get 94. Pretty simple. So we can do mental work when we are scoring numbers without necessarily looking onto the calculator. Alright. The last one, 89. If you are using the first method, the answer is already this. I've given that one to see whether we can get it easily because there's a trick involved in that. Now, if you take this, if you square this, you get 81. So we have 1, we have 8. Alright. This time this will give us what? 72. So 72, double of that. If I double this, I have 72, so 4, 144. 144 plus this will give us, if I take 6 from here, 150 plus 2, so 152. This, I'm taking the 2, so leaving only the 15. So the 15 is going to be added to the square of 6, that is of 8. That is what? 64. This will give me 9. This will give me 7. So I have 7, 9. That's as I've prescribed in the beginning. Alright. Then let's see if we can take the second method, which says that going up or down, it will be easy for me to go up by 1. So I'll have what? 90. If I go down by 1, I have what? 88. Now 90 times 80, which is the first one, 80 plus 8. So 90 times 80 will give me 72 times 10 tens, so 2 zeros. 90 times 8, that is 72 times 10. So 720. 0297. Now the square of 1 is still 1. So 1 plus 7,920, it becomes 7,921. Pretty simple, right?